Theme: imagine it, making it, using my imagination. Activity: imagine what's inside.
Areas of development. Language. Listens and understands increasingly complex language, learns and recognizes to identify and names to the different objects. Social emotional. Maintain positive relationships and establish stronger emotional bonds with the adult. Physical, fine motors. Uses hands and fingers to grab the objects and feel the different textures. Cognitive. Shows curiosity and motivation by participating in the activity with the help of the adult and experiencing different textures, shapes, and colors.
Welcome AVANCE families to another activity. My name is Nora and I'm one of the infants teachers. The materials we're going to use for this activity are a shoebox, butcher paper, tape, scissors, and the different objects that you may have at home with different textures. First, we're going to wrap the box with the butcher paper. Remember to leave an opening in the center so mom and child can put their hands in and out. We're going to turn the box down with the hole to the bottom and put tape to cover the box. Once you wrap or cover your box, we will narrow the hole using your scissors on the top, and then we're gonna cut it like an X, and we're gonna put the extra paper inside with our tape. Once you cover your box, you can add the title, imagine what is inside, and you can find different objects or materials that you have at home. For example, you can use fabrics, a sponge, a rubber ducky. Remember the materials that you're gonna use or toys that are appropriate for your babies. Rattle. And you're gonna put it inside the box. With this activity, you will expand their vocabulary by describing different characteristics of the different objects in the box, so they can learn shapes, colors, and sizes. Thank you, AVANCE families. I hope you like this activity and see you next time. Bye.